Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Brad. Sheila, good morning. Juan, good morning. Marty, good morning. Rebecca. Big Money Steven, good morning. Thomas, good morning. Alpha, good morning. All right, guys. So let's take a quick pre-market. Yeah, well, there's a whole lot of consolidation today around Globex. So let's take a quick look here at the market, see what we're looking at, and chart our Friday. Remember, it's Friday, and be very conscious of your emotional balance and your focus. It's been a long week, so we are looking at a market that is out of sync between the 200 and the 100, and we're playing around Globex. Whenever the market is playing around Globex, uh, you're gonna get a lot of consolidation type of pattern. Okay, so give the market a little bit of time, and let's see what we have in store. The market is out of sync. In order for the market to get back in sync on the long side, on a swing trade basis, we need to go all the way up to 996. Uh, 996. Let me see here. Yep. Let me take a look here. Yep, 996. That's the target. It's a lot quieter, Adam and Thomas. It's a lot quieter. All right, so harmony zone number one is 46 by 36, 21 by 11 is zone number two. Ethan, good morning. We're looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity with a target of 996. The market is out of sync, so it's lending itself to scalping opportunities only. If we get above 70, then the swing trade portion of this market will start playing out. Okay, so this is the first attempt at harmony zone number two. So we should be getting a bit of a bounce. Bear with me here. I need to change. Oh, that's okay. So they flushed it. That's a big deal. So right here, they needed to kind of bounce back, and they did bounce back, but just two candles and flushed the whole structure. Now the 996 is out of the question for now, and we're looking for a swing trade target of 71 871. The 200 anti-Renko shifted, and if we look at the big picture here, the market shifted at the top end of the cloud. So you got a couple of things going on here. Yesterday the market produced, uh, if you go way back to September the 4th, a captain set up long right here. Market rallied, retested, switch trade, ran to the top end of the cloud and came back in. Then here yesterday, they put on a captain set up long, and I was very optimistic that this thing is gonna really kind of break the 46 and just give us something bigger on the upside. And into the close, they sold it off. Then now look here, they flushed all the stops from under 883 and produced a captain setup long, and they reacted very well to it. So that structure and that area between 802 to 717 is going to be a tremendous support area, and this market really needs to hold it. Then you have, uh, I wouldn't be surprised if they trick everybody right here and run the market way up to 67, and then the 900. That could be a beautiful way to trap people. Where else did they do that type of behavior? They did it right there. See that captain setup and a switch trade? So that could be that possibility right here. Okay? So I don't want to be, I understand that the market is in sync on the short side, probably got out of sync already. But I want to be, no, it got out of sync. I want to be conscious of what a trap could look like in this market, and running up the market to 70, that would be a trap. So they're hitting harmony zone number 2, and that is 46 by 56, and that should pull back the market to the 25s. Yeah, that's the first touch. So they took out that. I mean, that was a beautiful short up there. Yeah, you're getting fast market, so you gotta be quick on your. So the market is back in sync on the short side. So that trap is not there yet. And here we go. So the next target is going to be 846. That's fine. We're as long as we end up trading above, either above or below the Globex band, then that will set us up for a trending market. Target is hit. Next target 821. That's fast. It's been like that. Hey, Hustler, good morning. So 8:45, you have Williams peak, FOMC Williams peaks. So that's gonna be a market mover. Ooh, that was big. Okay, that's a shift right here. Maybe that's what you needed, Adam. Makes sense. All right. How are they treating the stops here? They're buying the stops and they're now narrowing the gap between the the price the move. Yeah, so that means they're gonna run it back up. So that's you're at target number 6. So that's an area where the market tends to bounce anyway. Okay, let's see how they're gonna run the stops here. That's a fast market, yeah. So they're buying it here too. It's interesting, a captain setup here. Yeah, we should be running up here. All right, 796. 796 is the target. We're about to hit that target. You have too many indicators on your Ninja Trader, Adam. I think that's what the issue is. 771. Next target 771. I mean, it's just a free fall here. Boom. 746 is next target. Who slapped this market around? I'm getting reports Top Step Trader is down. Joseph, okay. Anybody else experiencing that? Well, I mean, if they're down, right? You're scared? I'll hold your hand. All right, so market is retesting harmony zone number 1, first touch. Okay, whatever. Harmony zone number 2. I mean, what are you guys doing over here? What is this market doing? That's just crazy. All right, so this is what's working. Harmony zone number 2 test is working. This is the second time they tested it, and it ends up being a huge move off of it. So the momentum that the market has is slicing. I mean, it pauses, but not by much in harmony zone number 1. But the second zone, boy, they are just slamming them. So that's good information to know. And now they're running that back up. That's fine, as long as you give me that first touch. Now the market is in sync on the long side. You have a big target at 871. You know, you're getting whippy price action, right? I mean, here comes the market. Look, they're coming in all the way, flushing those lows and testing Harmony's that captain setup that we talked about. So that is going to be the key, you know, that is it. And I wouldn't be surprised if the market tried to get to glowbacks um, against that 66 level. Captain set up long on the 20 NT Rinko. So that should push us up. Let's see how they run the stops above 65. So the speed of the market is fast, above average. The range is wide, and the behavior is swings, big swings on the upsides and the downside. And Harmony zone number 2 seems to be holding up in any retest. So William Speaks is right now. That's the FOMC member. We have a captain set up short. It's happening too fast. Captain set up short on the 40 and the 30 NT Rinko, and the 30 NT Rinko is a six prong captain setup. So that's actually a pretty decent one right there. Look at that. At that 50, and that from 50 to 30. So it's 20 points. And that's a fast one too. And now they're running both of them out. So that's and see they took out this captain setup. So wow. So that's another trap right there for the longs. So they took out the shorts, put captain setups, gave us a very, I mean, nice 20-point move, and then rolled people over. Target is hit. Next target is 896. 896. Globex is at 921. ES. Target is 5500. Harmony zone number 1 is 5513 by 16. 19 by 22. Pullbacks are buyable. Globex is 5513. Testing harmony zone number 1. We're out of sync. So tested here, tested here. They're trying to hold it. We broke that channel to the upside that we had. The market is out of sync. Let's see if we can get to harmony zone number 2. That seems to be holding 21 by 11. Captain setup. Wow. Put a captain setup short right here. That's interesting. All right, let's see if they can do a one candle reversal here. Oh, see that? That's the one. That's the one. Look at that. Zone 2. Zone 2. Just focus on zone 2 today. You're getting a little bit of they're biting on zone 1, but zone 2 is the one that the market seems to be reacting to the most on a first touch basis. We got 9 minutes to the top of the hour. Okay, that's fine. They're breaking that zone. Ethan, can you hear me? I don't know if you're. Just keep your eye on those zones. Zone 2, man. That's just that zone is paying, and typically in a very parabolic market, an emotional market, zone 2 is becomes very irrelevant. All right, so the market is in sync on the short side. 200 and the 100 are looking in the same direction, and we're looking for a target of 771. The trend on ES is 5500, and looking rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. All right, they're running the stops here again. To what extent though? All right, so that is 89.79. So they should bounce back right here. The swing trade target is 771, but there is a bit of stop buying right going on right around that 80. Another stop run under 76. Let's see. There you go, back up. You have a whole number at 800, so most likely we're gonna try to get there. There you go. Yeah, they were buying the stops here. So we wanna short we wanna short the stop runs to the upside. That's what we wanna do. Channel number 2 right here. So any break above 805, you're gonna get a bit of back and fill to the 20. Okay, so that's important for us to see. We're gonna get another push here. You have target of 771. That's a higher low, and we're breaking that channel. Looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity against Harmony Zone number 1 and 2. Yeah, see that? Okay. That's breaking the channel. That's running the stops. They're going 806, 8016. So that's going to fade here. Yeah, those are the kind of stop runs I want to be involved in. I'm waiting for the top of the hour after 9 o'clock. I want to see as much of this market as possible. Learn the personality, learn the behavior, what's working, what's not working, who's getting trapped, how. So far, who's getting trapped? Anybody that overcommits. You overcommit to the long side, they're smacking you. If you overcommit to the short side, they're running the stops on you. Like literally, this is so far an untrending market, but the shorts are having the upper hand, and a break here, can push us to 700. Here we go. Next target 746. 746. Now we this is the uncle point right now. I mean, this is an uncle point, meaning you start running into this captain setup and it doesn't hold, and you start running below 700, then it's all over. I mean, you're gonna get a massive flush from 700 lower, and then the market will pause and try to run back up. But that is a critical area. Here we go. We hit that target. Next target is 721. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Harmony zone number one, 771, 81, then 96 by '06. And that's a big, big move. I mean, that is an ass kicking, actually. Woof, baby. Don't don't mess with this market. They're running the stops. I mean, 15 points or 17 point stop is not even relevant here. All right, next target 696. So we talked about the 700 like 2 seconds ago. I mean, that's how fast the market is moving. All right, so top of the hour, 9 o'clock. All right, so what did they do? Took out the stops, ran it back up. They're gonna probably take it to harmony zone number one, which is 46 by 56. And 71 by 81. Yeah, that's gonna be big money. All right. All right, let them run. Let the market. They're gonna run it up here. Well, here they come. All right. I mean, they should be able to run it up a little bit. Here we go. Yeah, that's good. Good. 46.56. I'm gonna leave harmony zone number one alone, and I'm gonna look for harmony zone number two. And what is that? 70, 73. That's channel number one. I mean, it starts from here, but it's adjusted to this one. Okay. Let's see if we can run it up. Then fade it back in. Market is out of sync. So it's a two-sided market right now. Captain set up short on ES. Yeah. And, yeah, you don't want to see 50. I mean, they're buying the stops here, so you know they're gonna run it up. And if we break anything above 98 on ES, then you're gonna get a push in NQ. Here you go. Here you go. So the only issue, it's not an issue, but here 68 and 78, like 78 will be a better, since we got so close to it. Now that's channel number 2 right here. There's a good chance that we're going to run the stops under 40. Yeah, they're going to do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Ooh. Captain set up long here. Wow. Yep. Here we go. 78. Come on. Come on. Don't do this to me. Okay, here we go. I have to get it. Okay, so I took that one. Took one off. Oh man, look how fast that is. So took one off. It should really actually work for a lot more. Below 64. That will flush that market down. So I took one here and one here and made a little bit of money, but I needed to hold on to that trade a little bit longer. Look at this. This is gonna flush. That's okay. Still a winning trade. Harmony zone number 2. All day, every day. Yeah, I want that 778 and a quarter back. Can I have that? Can I have that contract back, please? Market is in sync on the short side, and we're looking for a swing trade target of 896. Second attempt at it. I wouldn't touch that one. Well, I mean, they sped up in it and they're fading it. So Harmony Zone number two is still working here. That's the third time getting up there. It's a fast one, that's for sure. Now, if we break 54, that's the captain set up short on the. Man, that's just happening too damn fast. Look at that. Look at that 70 NT Rinko captain setup. I'm trying to finish my sentence and saying 54, and the market gets there, and now we're at 35. Yeah. It is what it is. It's what it is. What it is. 11. Here we go. We're running the stops. Let me see how we're 52.34. I guess so, Rufio. I was sitting there, it's like 50. By the time I finished spitting it out, boom, Mark is already adios amigos. Not only that, but I was about to say 54, then place an order at 54. Yeah, right. So this is a market where you want to probably reduce your size and give yourself a little bit of room. So if you're trading like even one contract, mini, cut it in half, have it have 5 micros, and give yourself a little bit more space because the volatility is so high. If you're used to 10, 15 point stops, you're seeing that happen in like literally seconds. 86 is a big deal on yeah. Yeah, they passed it. So here we go. 12. That's not what I was trying to do. And that went fast. I was trying to go long right here at 1375. Okay, that's the stop run right here. So they're going to reverse it. Yeah. See that one? Yep. That's fine. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. I'm better off looking for rallies and stop hunts and then fade them short. Look for continuation trade on a swing trade basis with a target of 696. Okay, so that is 132.42. Can you get to 42? Can you get to 42? 42, 43. Here comes 42, 43. I mean, that 43. That's harmony zone number one, and we'll take it and see what happened. Oh, yeah, good luck with that. Right. That was perfect right there. If they filled me, that's fine. I'll get it and wait for harmony zone number two. I mean, I just don't want to put a market order. Like market order is silly. Like they'll slip you like crazy. You'll get into the market, but do I want to make a habit out of putting market orders? Not in this environment or any other environment. So either they come to my price or I'm not playing this game. Okay. Broke that channel. Channel one, channel number two. Let's see how they treat it. Took out the stops from under that most recent low, and they're trading in the middle of the range. The market is out of sync, so it's a two-sided market with a short bias, and we're looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. In this market, they broke the channel, and now they're testing it. They tested it well. Let's see how they go about this rally here. I mean, I could try the 28 and look for a scalp, or the 30. Wow, jeez, that's just so quick. Yep, they're gonna get me. Oh, now you film me, right? Of course you're gonna film me here. Okay, here we go. A flush under 24 will get me momentum. Oh yeah. Okay, I flatted that trade. It was not happening. I'm better off like doing the stop runs versus trying to go in the middle of the range and trade it. Okay, so here we go. 41.51. Let's see if they get there. That's very tight. I mean that's a tight congested market right here. It's an it's out of sync market, out of harmony. Shorts are the dominant force. If we break 20, that's a captain setup short on the 70 NT Rinko, and that would be a big move if we break the 20. Running the stops here. Could give them a shot. Yeah, here we go. 50, 40, let me see here. 46, 56. Let them run 56 or 60. We have harmony zone number 2 is 71 by 81. Here we go. That's good. That's good. So we had harmony zone number one right here at that 46. Now they're they need to be, well, I mean, they're pulling back here. We have harmony zone number two, which is 71 by 81. So we're looking at that zone as a resistance area. If the market wants to resume its swing trade bias on a trending basis, the 20 has to happen. Then our target will be 696. That is good. That's good. Okay, so take out the stops. Take out the stops. Run it up. Okay, so we got to get to that 20. Get to that 20. Don't do this. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's fine. Stop me out if you want to. Yep. It's fine. All right, thank you. I mean, they're a bunch of jokers, man. But that's, I mean, I took a stop right there, and I was like, no, no, they're gonna flush this thing. So I went short, added, and added as the market was going in my favor, and it's paid off. But I'm gonna take my stop, no matter what. I took my stop on one contract, and I made my money on 3 contracts. So here we go. I mean, that, look at that. That's just a beauty right there. Because of the volatility in the market, the middle of the range is not as stable, and the market is just using it to trap and slide the orders up. Look at that. Boom. Who wants that 750 again? Short. Target 671. We just need one of these big moves. That's it. It's not too much to ask for, is it? Damn, boy. That's this is the kind of market where you would be like down 800 points in Nasdaq type of deal here. I mean, that's the kind of market we are looking at today. Come on, baby. Feel me. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. So the question is why here? I mean, that's a scary ass move. Look where we at. We're at a target number 4, and you have an actually a swing trade target of 646. So my entry here literally has a stop like one tick under that level. It's less than a 10-point stop. After that big move down, I'll take it. It got within a tick of me hitting my target and flattened me, which is fine. See that stability right here? So harmony zone number 1 is 71 by 81. Harmony zone number 2 is 96 by 706. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. And look, the market looks like it's trying to stabilize. They put on a double bottom right here. Even they put on a captain setup short. But if they roll that one over, we're gonna be running into this zone. Oh, what is going on here? Let's see here. If they do a switch trade here, nah, the market is weak. So let's see how they're gonna run these stops right here. They should be running the stops. Here we go. 46. $45, $35. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna take a chance right here. Man, I'm getting like an immediate response. It's just they come back to take out my order. I wanna hold on for like a big reversal move, but it's just the second stop run here. Gotta be a little bit careful. What's wrong with Adam, Steven? Adam is an outstanding trader. Well, this is the territory for it. This is the territory for it. The market is in sync on the short side. The best play is look for the stop runs to the upside and short them. That's the best play. 49. All right, let's watch them run it up to 67 and 70 because that's where this market is going. Damn, not really, huh? I'm looking for a rally so I could short this market. Okay, so now we got a situation 60. Excuse me, my voice is loud here. 60 is a captain setup long on the 70 NT Rinko. So if the market gets cute here, runs a stop and run up back to 60, then you're gonna get a
didn't catch the other thing you said. I didn't catch the other thing you said.
Alexa, quiet, please. Okay, I wasn't talking to you. 60. Yep. Okay, so they didn't do that. Oh, all right. Next target 596. 596. 596 is the next target. Let's look at the big picture here. I mean, we broke this captain setup. Sorry. We broke this captain setup. And that's where the momentum is. I mean, it's a trending market. I should be looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity and not get cute. And that's exactly what this thing is. Getting cute, trying to find that turning the turn. That's how we get in trouble. Captain set up long. Let's see if they really. They're gonna run this market back up right here. You're gonna see 30 coming up very quickly. I mean, they run the 20, then you're gonna see 30 and 40 quick. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. You gotta see it. You gotta see it. That was a good one. And the shorts are back in business. Yes, 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 yes. That's just a better play, period. and I'm finding myself kind of looking for that turn, and it's a bad habit, to be honest with you. So this is the trade that I just took on those two contracts. We're up 177 before that, and with those two contracts, we are up about 759. And this is where we at so far. We got clobbered yesterday. The day before that, we did good. Today is recover. I mean, overall, we're doing okay. The trajectory, we recovered from that, equity drawdown into equity high. And let's keep looking. Yeah, we should be pushing up a little bit here. We'll see. Above 70, we'll pick up some stops above 75.85. And here it comes. Here they go again. They're gonna do another stop run here. If you trigger 70s, you're gonna start picking up some steam. Here it comes. Come on, bitch. Let's go. Looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. Nope. Yeah, they're not even rallying it that much. It's a very tight middle of the range price action. ES target is 54.31. We have this massive move to 496. Target is 496. $26.36. Okay. Uh, market perked up. Market is out of sync, testing harmony zone number 1. We're about to go to harmony zone number 2. That's significant. They trapped your captain setup right here. Okay. I didn't cancel nothing, bro. That was a crazy, crazy order. Yeah, it's a crazy price action here. It's all over the place. Next target is 471. Sorry. Hey, good morning. Good morning, winning circle. Take care, Ethan. How did we end up doing today? That's not bad, man. In a day like this. No, I mean it's just the speaker, FOMC speaker, is just putting a little bit of havoc in the market. Jesus. No, brother, I don't know. That talk by the Fed is spooking the market big time. I mean, we made a little bit of money early on, and we're trying to make sure that we're not getting swept up in any of this stuff right there. How's everybody doing so far? You guys okay? Adam, Brad, Sheila, Juan, Marty, where you at? Matthew, good morning. Safe, Stephen, Thomas. Okay, we're running into harmony zone number 2. Getting first reaction off of it, pulling back. Okay, the market is in sync on the short side, and we have a target of 471. Rallies are shortable against harmony zone number 1 and 2, and a target of 471. That's amazing, actually. Look at what the market is doing here. Switch trade short, switch trade long. So they're just like literally duplicating themselves here. And they're doing the same thing up here. I mean, it's just like the same the same algo trying to mess with people here. So now, if we're asking ourselves a question here, what's the personality of the day? The speed is slowing down. The range is still expanding. The behavior is short. Um, Rallies are getting shorted against two solid levels, and we're running the stops. And I'm gonna take a quick break. Here we go. Taking out the stops under the market, and the market is trending lower. I'll be back. Yeah, the bleeding continues. The bleeding continues. Target is 421. Harmony zone number one is 471 by 81. Then 96 by 506 is zone number two. We'll reevaluate the shorts if we break anything above 490. Rallies are shortable. Switch trade at this level here. That's a big deal. Same thing is happening in ES, by the way. So that's they're putting on a counter. Market is out of sync. I think here the shorts are going to get a little bit weaker. So just watch out for these pullbacks. If we make a higher low, then it's going to be a function of how well we dig through 96,506. All right, guys. So it's 11 o'clock, and I would like to. Where is this thing? That's how we're ending our morning. We're about 7:59. It's a good day, and we'll call it a day here. The volatility is decreasing. At least we're not getting too many wild price action here. All right, guys. Take care. Be safe. And we will see you bright and early Monday. Have a good one.